Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, my dear brothers and sisters in Islam. Greenland Academy of Sacred Sciences, or GLASS for short, is the official adult educational offering at Greenland Masjid, Birmingham.
And since launching in 2022, we've taught over 1,100 students across the UK and abroad, and we run over 20 classes every week, whether online or on-site, right here at Greenland Masjid. Now, our classes cover the full spectrum of Islamic sciences with over 25 courses spread across 7 departments, including Islam Foundations for complete beginners, Arabic, Quran, Aqeedah, Fiqh, Hadith, Spiritual Purification, and even an Islamic Scholarship or Alamiyyah Foundation program. So no matter what you're interested in, we're sure there'll be something for you. Now, what's better, we also offer structured learning paths so you can know exactly where you are in your Islamic studies journey and where to go next towards a variety of valuable Islamic learning goals, such as memorizing the Quran, being able to defend your faith from doubts, and even becoming an alim. Our students love learning with us and are very excited to progress to higher levels of study as part of the lifelong learning approach that we advocate here at GLASS.
I'm from the US, probably told from my accent, and I've been following GLM for a really long time. Hugely beneficial there, and now I'm doing it live, alhamdulillah, and would really encourage anyone who have the opportunity to really utilize this gem that we have here.
Coming with like no preconceptions or anything, not much knowledge, just like soaking it all in, alhamdulillah, is very, very beneficial. And
this is the first GLASS event I've attended, and really pleased with how it's been so far and the overall experience. So inshallah, I look forward to attending more in the future.
It's a nice way of learning. There's a lot there. It's quite intensive as well, but it's all broken down really well. So alhamdulillah, so far so good, really good.
We also run on-site special events and bring big names in the Islamic scholarship field right to your doorstep, with the intention to foster a connection to the scholars and the rich heritage of the Islamic intellectual tradition.
The first word revealed in the Mus'haf, the first command, read, learn. Brothers and sisters in Islam, do not bank on other people conveying Islam to you. Greenland Academy of Sacred Science, GLASS, is making it possible for you to acquire the knowledge right here in the UK.
The Academy's purpose is not just to acquaint you with the rudimentary, simple issues of Islam, but to dig a little bit deeper. Something that allows you not just to benefit for yourself, but to be able to relay it, pass it on, and make it a conduit of good towards others. This is where you get yourself ready for priming and preparing future generations for leading and carrying the banner of Islam. I wholeheartedly invite you to GLASS.